Greetings, this is Learning English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is meant for those who are appearing or taking competitive examination and learning vocabulary. Of course, vocabulary plays an important part in developing and enhancing language skills in general. Verbal ability, no doubt, is building block of language. A learner may be a student, an office goer, or a homemaker. Introduction. Climactic. Imagine a situation you're watching a thriller film and reached last part of the end of the movie. You are about to watch the most important scene of the movie. Think of another situation. You got selected in an interview and the organization asked you to sign the appointment letter. And then think of a third situation. Two armies fighting a war and one particular battle gave victory. All of the above three situations indicate the final most exciting moment or part of the situation. All the three manifest use of climactic diction. Definition: climactic. Pronunciation: the word climactic is pronounced as climactic. It belongs to word category of adjective. Word family is climactic, meaning relating to or consisting of climax, or related to the most exciting or important one in the series, and acting as a culmination or resolution to a series of or forming an exciting climax. Examples: the film's climactic scene. Even so, I was looking forward to what I hoped would be a climactic moment. The start of climactic race approached. A climactic development, a climactic battle, a climactic moment, a climactic event or scene. Synonyms of the climactic are crucial, central, critical, and peak. Discussion. This adjective is used to describe a scene, event, or action. If you enjoy a good mystery, you would love climactic ending when events uncovered. It describes grand finale or top point of a series of events, and it comes from the word climax. When you reach the top of mountain, you finally reached at the top of mountain, you are at the climactic point. There is a difference between climactic and climatic. There can be confusion between them, but one has to remember that climactic refers to forming a climax and climatic refers to climate. Thank you very much. This is for all today. We'll meet with the next word. Thank you. Till then, it's bye bye from me.